Hey everybody, welcome to
Hello.
Britpop React. Today we got a video from the Kiffness.
Oh, yes.
Yes, we've done the Kiffness before. This
Yep.
time with a cockatoo or cockatiel, Ginger.
Okay.
Um,
All right. So we've had a husky dog and a cat, and now we've
yeah,
got a
a
cockatiel.
bird. Yeah, cockatiel.
All right.
The reason why are we doing this one?
We are doing this because every day is like a
Sunday.
Sunday. All right.
Stuck on
Okay,
wheel.
mate. Well, we know what to expect now. So obviously the genius of the Kiffness, plus whatever random sound he can get generated and add in.
Who
But
knows?
it's the beats that he comes up with which are quite cool. So let's see where he's going this time.
Yes, as we know, every day has got some lovely birds herself, as
Okay.
we've seen on pictures from our live shows. So she says that they love this song and they sing along to it.
No
So
way. Okay.
it's called Kookee Kookee Club Anthem. Ready?
Club anthem
Let's do it.
in the club.
Madness.
There was a cockatiel who sang Kookee Kookee. The doctor told me that it's not a normal melody. The song had a supernatural ability to cure any sadness for you and me. Oh baby, why don't we go down to the Cockatiel? A song that only we know can make us feel alright. Oh baby, why don't we show everybody how we go to the Cockatiel? It makes us feel alright.
Oh my god. The internet's just gone mad.
Everybody singing the key Kookee, restoring our faith in humanity. I once was blind, but now I see. We all depend on a key Kookee Kookee. Oh baby, why don't we go down to the Cockatiel? A song that only we know can make us feel alright. Oh baby, why don't we show everybody how we go to the Cockatiel? It makes us feel alright.
Mate. All that in there.
What?
Mate, unbelievable. You know what? It's just crazy. It's crazy, and that's what the world comes to now. I mean, what's going on?
Well, whatever you can come up with, you can do, isn't it? Basically, but
You can do
I
anything.
mean, first of all, shout out to the canary yellow kappa trackie. I mean, bonus
Oh.
points for that.
Yeah, oh,
Um,
definitely. Yeah, I mean, this is
Multi-talented
impressive.
instrumentalist as well. So you know,
Oh yeah, he's
Kiffness,
a clever guy.
he's a clever guy. I mean, he's just showing that you can pretty much make a beat out of anything, isn't it? And
Oh
that's it.
yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
it was a rocking little tune, and he's obviously up the ante on the video quality now with the production. You know, got himself sort of dancing along to it. Yeah, brilliant. I mean,
Kookee.
if you got some talent, mate, you can showcase it and whatever you do.
Well, this
so
is
fair
it.
play to him. Yeah.
You know, these looping stations now, and Yeah, we still got to have the talent. You still got to have the
Yeah.
ear for music and stuff like that. I mean, I don't know how much I need to have before that becomes to make normal sense. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, a few beers and stuff like that. You know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're right on this. This makes sense now. So yeah, crazy, but
Okay, but another gem from the darkest depths of the internet, courtesy of Every Day is Like a Sunday.
indeed, yes.
Thank you very, very much. You know, it's
Totally
endless,
different.
isn't it, mate?
It
It's
is
endless what you can come up with and what people will watch. Fair play.
If you enjoy watching the channel, which hopefully you do, all sorts on this channel, so you can
Yep.
never ever, not see something you either enjoy or like. Hit the subscribe button, do come with us, hit the bell and be notified of a video that we release
Please
every
do.
day. We will be back next day,
Tomorrow.
every day, maybe a
like-
Sunday.
Even.
Hey, until then, it's goodbye from me.
Goodbye from him. Ta-ra. The Kiffness out.
The Kiffness out. Ciao, ciao.
No pregnant pause there whatsoever.
No.